Hi friends, today I would like to share one of my life lessons with all of you. It was almost 7 years back. I got an interview call from one of the highly reputed multinational companies operating in oil and gas industry. It was really a surprise call for me because I always wanted to work in that company. Such a big company, such a reputed company, such a big organization. So I prepared exhaustively for clearing that interview because it was once in a lifetime opportunity for me. And on the day of interview, I landed there at the interview location. An interview is such a feeling. Nobody wants to be in the middle of those questions, and unfortunately, you hard be there. That is a question of the job. So that day, I was also there, and I was expecting a panel of people shooting questions surrounding me, shooting questions to me. And finally, it was my turn to go inside for the interview. I entered that room, and to my surprise, there was only one person in the interview panel. Only one person. So I was very happy internally because I had to face only one person. So I approached him. He asked me to place myself, and he was just reading through my experience certificates and CV, my qualification, etc., etc. Suddenly, he passed a smile at me. He said, "Okay, I am impressed with your CV and your experience certificates and your qualifications. Well done. So I will ask you only 3 questions." So that was very soothing news for me. I got more at ease, and he started asking questions. The first question: tell me about yourself. I explained myself very easily because I was already prepared for that. Because these are general questions which are asked in interviews. Okay, he's also happy with the answers. Now the second question: how will you land up in this profession? What made you to take up this profession? So this question was also, I was expecting that and I was prepared for that. I answered the question. And here comes the third question, the last question, final question, which can give me a job, my dream job. Now he asked me, gentlemen, what you are specialized in? So I felt it's a simple question. I said, sir, I'm a health and safety specialist. He repeated the question. My question is, what you are specialized in? I said, sir, I am a safety specialist. Experience, I have been to different industries managing health and safety. The question is repeated for the last time. What you are specialized in? Now, I got surprised with the question. I was clueless actually. Either I was not knowing the answer of the question, or it was the moment I realized that there is something called a specialization in health and safety. And finally, conclusion is that I didn't get that job because I could not answer the most important question, what I am specialized in. And I lost my dream job that day. This is going to be very serious about all of us, those who are in the profession as well as those who are expecting to be in the profession. This question comes repeatedly into my mind, what you are specialized in. Actually, this question only led me to take up a specialization, leaving that generic health and safety management and take up a career into a specialized area. And I hope you all should not wait for that question to come to you to take your specialization. You should start doing it right now. Wherever you are, whatever area you are working, whichever industry you are, pick up that specialization. Keep it along with you. This is required. Friends, today's point of discussion is specialization. So you might have understood the importance of specialization when it comes to safety profession as well as any other profession. There's always a limit and ceiling for a generalist safety profession. Now, what sort of specialization you can take up? The specialization can be specific to your exposure, level of exposure, industry you're working, or other industries as well, wherever your expertise and experience will fit in. For example, if you take process safety, you can take technical safety or functional safety as your specialization. Technical safety professional, technical safety expert, functional safety professional, functional safety expert. These are all part of process industries or manufacturing industries. Functional safety is such an area, there are sub-specialization also. Functional safety is basically related to the functionality of a safety system or a component or a subsystem, which are automatically driven by electrical and electronic or programmable software systems. So a functional safety expert will have expertise in dealing with the functions, safety functions of a particular component. or a system or a subsystem, whatever it is. So you are going to work with automobile industries, it is there with the rail industries, it is there with the aerospace industries, it is there with process industries, manufacturing industries, where our automatic safety systems are used. You may become a SIL expert, you may become a hazard or FME expert, that process hazard analysis expert. So all these are covered in functional safety and technical safety. Take any industry, there will be specialization in safety as well. Tunneling, mining, lifting safety, lifting engineering, scaffolding, competent person, incident investigation, fire safety expert, behavioral safety expert, human reliability and ergonomics experts. In audit itself there are sub specializations. For example, management system auditors, road safety auditors, social accountability auditors, marine auditors. Marine in the sense there are SOLAS auditors as well as MARPOL auditors, product safety engineer, product safety consultant, radiology or radiological safety experts. Other areas like human reliability analyst, data analyst. If you have a skill in economics, if you are a financial expert, if you are a statistical expert, then you can become a safety data analyst or safety surveyor. You take any area of safety, you will get a specialization. Pick up wherever your skill matches, you pick up that specialization, work towards that. Your opportunities are going to become vast and wide. Just lock your target, work onto that. There are a lot of elements which can help you, assist you in achieving that specialization. There are certain agencies, international agencies and local agencies, national agencies, which will give you training and assistance to become a certified expert in a particular area. If you want to be worry free for the future, be ready for the specialization. Start working for that. Make conscious planning and implementation of your actions. Address the challenges of the future as well as challenges in the job. I don't know whether my interviewer is watching this video, but wherever you are, I would like to thank you for letting me know my potential skills and grow it up. And I would like all of you be ready with the answer for the question what you are specialized in today or some other day as soon as possible. I hope you understood the importance of specialization in safety profession as well as in any profession, and the need for planning for your specialization and getting certified as an expert. Now I am very hopeful that you will be taking this very seriously and working towards your specialization. So let us make the world more beautiful and more safe. So friends, stay safe, stay home, stay tuned. I'll be right back with transparency and technical skill in my next video on 27th of April 2020. Till the time, with all your prayers and permission, this is Suji signing off.